I am so excited. Today is cabinet day for my little tiny cabin that I'm building. And I just got, I went to town, picked them up, and the countertop and all that. And I just got back to my place and about to get started on the installation. I'm super excited. All right, so I'm on the trailer and I've got these all strapped down on the trailer and everything. And we're going to be putting these right here. And I love this butcher block countertop I got. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Just gorgeous. All right, let the work begin. So the way that I did this is I purposefully wanted to leave some space right here when I enter the door so I can have my broom there and all that. But I've got the base cabinets in. Beautiful oak. Very nice. Oh, I'm about to have all kinds of storage. I'm so excited. So I have this cutout for the eventual kitchen sink. I won't be doing that for a while, but at least I'll have it. And I've already checked things and I am just about perfectly level. I already checked all that. So now I'm gonna screw them to the wall studs and put the countertop on. Very exciting. All right, working hard out here. Let's take a look at the progress. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's just beautiful. Butcher block. This is gonna be so beautiful. Making progress. So a decision that I will probably regret later in life is I chose to hang the cabinets up towards like all the way up to the ceiling. So the reason is I want to do some really beautiful trim around the window. I'll probably regret that later in life because it's so high up there. But, you know, little step stool, I'll be all right. So now I'm about to hang the big boy right next to that. But it's sure turning out nice. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm loving it. Here it is. Got everything hung up. Oh my gosh. This is just awesome. Look at that butcher block. Oh my gosh. So I'll be finishing the butcher block soon, but I've got the cabinets hung up. So much storage space now, and I'm gonna put the cook stove right there. A 5-burner. It's gonna be awesome. In the meantime, we finally have cabinets. Yay! What I'm doing right now is stirring up the butcher block. What do they call it? Oil and finish. And essentially you use this on raw wood to seal it. It's food grade, so even if this was all I used, it would still be good. It's clear in color. It's like honey. And I'm about to do that, so here we go. So what we're gonna do is pour just a bit on the butcher block. Take a clean, soft cloth and just rub it in. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Does that show up on the camera yet? By the way, it is a petroleum product, so I do have the window open right here, but it's not, like, you don't smell any vapors or anything like you would normally would with any type of wood finishing type of products. It literally is like honey. That's very interesting. So I'm just rubbing it in. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. Ah. I lost my rag. Anyway. Oh, now I smell it a little bit. So I'm glad I opened up the window. Oh yeah, you can actually see the difference in the color. So essentially this is penetrating into the raw wood and sealing it. And then I have another product that's also food safe that's going to kind of waterproof it, so to speak. So anyway, continuing the project. And I know it's hard to see me, but I'm just working. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. That oil just brought out. So it's not a stain, it's just an oil. Just brought out the beautiful colors of that butcher block. Just, oh my gosh. It's just beautiful. I am so impressed. So now I just gotta let the room air out, and tomorrow I'll apply the actual after treatment, so to speak, to kind of waterproof it, so to speak, because it is wood, but it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. So happy.